Oh, poor baby. What?
That hurts.
What hurts?
My jaw, all right here.
Alright.
It probably is also because your fucking jaw is like huge.
What?
His jaw is huge. I'm gonna cut it in half.
Oh, before you put it in your mouth.
Yeah. These are huge pieces.
You got huge pieces. They got huge pieces.
Quit!
What?
Making fun of me.
Put it in front of me.
I'm gonna cry when I get home. You jerk.